Hey everyone, today we are at Motorama events. We are at the Farm Show Complex in Harrisburg, and if you're not familiar, Motorama is the largest indoor motorsports show in the country, and it happens right here in Harrisburg, PA, just down the road from CJ Pony Parts. We're here at Motorama events, and I found this Mustang, so I met Kris. Kris is from Elizabethtown, so tell me about it. Your make, model?
It's an 87 with a 92 drivetrain. I bought it as a roller, didn't have a motor transmission in it. It was black when I bought it.
Okay.
And it was pretty rough. I did a lot of work to it. All myself, painted all myself. Did some motor upgrades, of course. Has GT40 heads and intake. I put a Ford Motorsport F-cam in it, roller rockers, has 8,600 RPM valve springs in it. And some bigger injectors, bigger throttle body. Nothing crazy, but it's fun.
Well, and the thing I noticed right away, this was not a stock color for this year.
No, this is like the early 2000s Mustangs had this color, the grabber blue, but
Yes.
the paint scheme is based more off like the early 60s Boss Mustang.
And you said the decal on the side goes with that scheme that you're matching.
It's actually paint. I taped that off myself and painted it too.
Wow,
so,
no way.
Yeah, but I left the 5.0. I didn't want to put Boss because it's not truly a Boss.
Yeah.
So I didn't want to actually put that on there, but I think it turned out pretty good. So
I think so. The color pops in here under these lights.
It does. It does really good.
Awesome. Well, great. Thank you so much, Kris.
No problem. Thank you.